Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Rakhi Vyas, Business Development Manager at Spectrum Academy, shared that the academy, established in 1999, initially focused on UPSC, MPSC, and banking exams, helping over 30,000 students become officers across India. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very special guest. She is Ms. Rakhi Vyas, Business Development Manager, Spectrum Academy. So, welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's your experience being here?
Thank you so much for inviting me here. And yes, it's really awesome experience. This is the second time that we have enrolled here.
Yeah.
And definitely my output and my feedback is like excellent.
That's great to hear, ma'am. And we are glad that such experience was curated for you. And so our viewers who are watching it for the first time, tell them about what is Spectrum Academy.
Spectrum Academy is an academy which we have started from the 1999.
Okay.
Firstly, we were running for the UPSC, MPSC banking staff selection. But after that, we observed that there is a lot of students, those who wants to become a doctor and engineer. So we started with the JEE, NEET, CET, NDA wing. I can proudly say that through UPSC, MPSC and banking, more than 30,000 students becomes officer in all over India. And through JEE and NEET, CET, NDA, definitely more than 10,000 students become doctor and engineers and fulfill their dream of becoming a doctor and engineer.
Wow, that's great. So what are all the fields that Spectrum Academy deals in and like your functions?
Right. Like we are having school integrated program. Nowadays, we have seen there is a lot of demand from 6 to 10 standard students. As we know, if they want to become a doctor, engineer, collector or any other field, the foundation starts from the 6 standards. So definitely physics, chemistry, maths, biology, mental ability and SST, we can do a integration with the schools. Our set of faculty will go to their premise and they'll teach them and they will try to make their foundation strong. So this is our SIP project. Then there is a psychometric test and DMIT test. Nowadays in 10 standard, we have seen a lot of students and parents got confused at what we should do after 10 standard. So definitely the psychometric and DMIT test is scientifically proven that it will get to know about your personality. And once you get to know about your personality, definitely you can choose your career wisely. Again, teachers training program is there. Then we have our online application, that is Spectrum Academy.
Okay.
So that online provision also we are giving and at the same time career guidance counseling.
Okay.
So such in all sector, we would like to develop the education wing and we would like to motivate and we would like to definitely the students should achieve their dreams and goals. That is our main motto.
It's great to hear that you're working for such a noble cause. And so what is your thoughts on your partnership with Time to Grow Media?
Definitely, it's amazing experience. As I told you previously, this is our second time. Whenever the whole educational system and principles, they are coming together and there is a brainstorming about the education system for the development of the students. Definitely, you are playing such a great role to meeting them together and having such an excellent experience we are getting over here.
Absolutely, that's great. It was Pune. And any other geographical locations you are present in?
Right, we are in Nagpur. Previously we were there. Then Pune is there, Nasik is there.
Okay.
Now we have started in Sindhudurg, Kosargaon is there, Sambhajinagar. So almost more than 6+ branches we have in all over Maharashtra.
That's great. I think and students are lucky who are all over those places. So thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing all these beautiful things about your company, and we look forward to have more such partnerships with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.